CMIS 3224. Web Designing and E-Commerce. Practical Sessions. HTML Part 2. In this video cover the handout 2 and 3. HTML table. Table tag. TR tag for table rows. TD tag for table columns. Open and close table tags. TR tags for table rows. To show the table borders, add a border value. Now you can see the table clearly. Table row with table headers. TH tag for headers. Text between the TD tags show it the cell. Caption tag show a title for the table. Add another column to the second and third rows. Now there is a space in the row 1. Insert the width of header 2, that filled the column 2 and 3. In the TH tag add colspan 2. Now there is no more any space. Try in row 3. Let's insert the height in the cells. In the TD tag add row span 2. So the colspan increase the width. Row span increase the height. Let's make this table look nice. Cell padding is used to provide space between cell content and cell borders. When increasing the value mean more space. Cell spacing provides the width of the table borders. When increasing the value mean more table width. We can add a background color. Also a background image. HTML lists. HTML provides tags for all types of listings. It categorizes the listing in basically 3 types: unordered lists, UL, ordered lists, OL, and definition lists. UL unordered list. LI tag contain the list items. By default show a dot. We can change the shape. Change the type to square and circle. OL ordered list. LI tag contain the list items. By default start at normal numbers. We can change this. Change the type to simple I and simple A. Then it automatically follow the order. DL, definition lists. DT tag main list. Tage make a tab space and display the sub-list. We can mix these lists. Open an unordered list. Inside the item, start a new ordered list. HTML iframe. The iframe tag specifies an inline frame. An inline frame is used to embed another document within the current HTML document. Embed our university website to our website. Give source URL. New page is a mobile-friendly site, so it's show the mobile view. Change the size of the frame. Give height and width. Remove frame border. In this situation, source document load with the refreshing our site. Give a link and after clicking the link, load the source document. HTML forms. Form tag is used to create form for user input. Form has different input elements to take user input like text fields, check boxes, radio buttons, text area, browse button, submit button. Input type text. You can see an input field. Add another input field. And at address we need more space. Text area. Open and close. User can adjust the size of the text area. City select form a list that we given. Show a drop-down with our added items. Input type radio. Give radio buttons. Input type file. Browse button. Once we choose a file, it's show file name. Input type checkbox. Show checkbox. Input type password. Hide the input text. Input type submit. Input type reset. Submit and reset buttons. Multimedia. Audio and video tags. Insert a audio file. Source address. Folder and file name. I create a folder audio and place it MP3 file. Controls give user to do controls in the file.
इतिहास ये आवेसिनंदलक जीविते तिबुना.
Insert a video file. I create a folder video and place it MP4 file. Its show is an image. No controls. Add controls in video tag. Now user can control. We can add a thumbelina. I add a new image in Images folder. Now it's show the image. Once we click play at Poly. When refresh, show the image. Let's try to add a YouTube video. Copy the link and paste. Reduce the video size. It's not playing. So when we need to add a YouTube video, go to Share. Select Embed. Copy this code. And paste. You can see it's an iframe tag. Now you can play it. The object tag defines a container for an external resource. The external resource can be a web page, a picture, a media player, or a plug-in application. Give source link in the data. Image. Website. Video. The embed tag defines a container for an external resource, such as a web page, a picture, a media player, or a plug-in application. Give source link in the SRC. Image. Website. Video. Try a YouTube video in both object and embed tags. Both are not working. In a iframe. Not working. Copy the embed link. It's working. Suggestion. To display a picture, it is better to use the img tag. To display HTML, it is better to use the iframe tag. To display video or audio, it is better to use the video and audio tags. YouTube iframe.